Which YouTube channel makes the most money? Several YouTube channels earn millions annually through ad revenue, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. Here are the top earning YouTube channels and headings. 1. MrBeast, Jimmy Donaldson. Earnings, up to $101.8 million per year. Category, entertainment and challenges. Why? MrBeast is famous for viral stunts, giveaways, and large-scale philanthropic projects. His main revenue sources include YouTube ads, brand deals, and merchandise sales. Nursery T-Series. Earnings, up to $479 million per year. Category, music and entertainment. Why? T-Series, an Indian music and film production company, is the most subscribed YouTube channel. It earns through ad revenue and music licensing deals globally. 3. Cocomelon, nursery rhymes. Earnings, estimated $120 million plus per year. Category, kids entertainment. Why? Cocomelon creates animated nursery rhymes, attracting billions of views from kids worldwide. Its revenue comes from ad monetization, merchandise, and licensing. Charity, PewDiePie, Felix Kjellberg. Earnings, over $40 million, historically. Category, gaming and commentary. Why? PewDiePie became one of YouTube's most successful creators through Let's Plays, meme reviews, and commentary videos. Patue, like Nastya. Earnings, $100 million plus per year. Category, kids and family. Why? Like Nastya features child-friendly videos with family adventures and educational content, generating revenue through ads and brand partnerships. 6. Vlad and Niki. Earnings, $70 million plus per year. Category, kids entertainment. Why? This channel features family-friendly content focused on kids' adventures and product reviews, earning through ad revenue and brand sponsorships. 7. Dude Perfect. Earnings, $50 million plus per year. Category, sports and entertainment. Why? Known for sports tricks and challenges, Dude Perfect earns through ad revenue, merchandise, and live tours. 8. Ryan's World. Ryan Kaji. Earnings, $45 million plus per year. Category, kids content and toys. Why? Ryan's World is famous for toy reviews, earning from branded toys, clothing lines, and exclusive partnerships with major retailers.